Welcome to Spandy Way. Today we will see how to cook oats omelette with eggs. Oats omelette with eggs is one of the quick and healthy egg recipes for breakfast. Take a bowl, add 2 whole eggs, quarter cup milk and quarter cup oats. Season the mixture with salt, chili powder and turmeric. Give a nice whisk. Add all other vegetables in a separate bowl, mix them and keep aside. Now to fry beaten eggs, take a pan and heat oil on a medium flame. Pour the whole egg mixture. Now sprinkle all the vegetables and gently press towards omelette. Fry it for 2 minutes. Sprinkle pepper. Now turn the omelette to other side and fry it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Keep pressing gently for vegetables to fry. After you ensure it is nicely cooked on both sides, take to serving plate and enjoy. Oats omelette with eggs can also be had for a light lunch or dinner. Thank you. If you like the video, please like, comment and share. Also subscribe to Spandy Way for more videos.